Izihlobo nabangani bathe ndlelanhle kumfanyana uDidiborho Junior Phalane enkonzweni yomngcwabo ebigcwele umunyu ebanjele ehholo eKopang. Izikhulumi besithamele lo mngcwabo zichazela umfana omncane njengomuntu obenekusasa eliqhakazile kodwa impilo yakhe ethathwe ngokukhulu ukuzuma.
We remember the bright smiles of this young man, the innocent laughter he had, the boundless potential that was brutally taken away from us. We remember the dreams that will never come to be, the milestones that will never be reached, and the memories that will never be made.
Othisha bakhe bamchaze njengengane ebihlezi kulungele ukubhekana nezinselele ezintsha bathi ube uthokozela umculo nomdanso.
Junior lived, he explored, he learned, he created memories, and he created history. In these 5 years, not only did he travel through the space, exploring the 5 planets, but he also traveled through Africa and the world through our annual program.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uBhekicele uthi ziyakhathaza izigameko zokubulawa kwabantu ngezibhamu kuleli. Uthi ke kutholakale izinhlamvu endaweni okwadutshulwa kuyo lo mfanyana.
The car that they came with there was stolen. We have found 2 guns. From the crime scene, we have found 2 empty cartridges. We have taken those things to forensics.
Abasolwa ababili abayamaniswa nokubulawa kukaDidiborho Junior Phalane baboshwe ngolwesine olwedlule kanti bavele enkantolo namhlanje bebhekene necala lokubulala.